Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the simple makeup routine I do when I want to look fresh and presentable without wearing anything too heavy. I film this while sitting outside, surrounded by greenery, fresh air and birds singing in the background. So I hope you enjoy this peaceful little get ready with me. All the products details are listed in the description box below. So sit back, relax and enjoy. After moisturizing my face, I like to spend a couple of minutes massaging my face to wake up my skin and reduce puffiness. I always end my skincare with a sunscreen and a lip balm. A strobe cream from MAC gives my skin a soft, healthy glow. I keep the base very light so my skin still looks natural. I forgot to bring my mirror, so I'm using the camera screen to do my brows. I am just blending everything in for a natural finish. A little tint instantly makes the face look more fresh and alive. A good nude lipstick always brings the whole look together. I'm skipping mascara today. I'm just brushing my lashes with blue gel for a soft, natural look. And that's my favorite trick. And that's the finished look. Simple, fresh, and exactly the kind of makeup that always makes me feel put together.